Susan Caraway, and I'm here at the Life Bridge. And I heard about the Life Bridge from a friend of mine through another organization, which is anonymous, and but she told me about the Life Bridge program. She planted the seed. I didn't know where it was at, so trying to find it was very hard. And one day I happened upon it, and wow, I never knew how nice people could be, and how giving, and how wonderful. And Christians are. They're like doors to heaven, you know. And I was computer illiterate, and I've made some bad choices in my past, and I'm wanting to become the woman that God created me to be. And so I'm trying to make good choices now, and I have a lot of people to lead me and guide me and direct me here. I have a man, he's a Dell retiree executive volunteer, and he comes and shows me how to work the mouse. You know, I mean, my first day I didn't know how to work the mouse. And anyway, we went through a lot, and then I have a day that I come, and math is really a hard subject for me, so he helps me with my math. And I love this organization, and it has done so much for me, and the people have been so kind and giving and loving, and I stand amazed.